Okay, I'm going to give you a behind the scenes of my life a little bit, my work life. Don't want to tell you my personal stuff. Maybe another time. So, life of an ADR or artificial disc replacement surgeon like me, typically my personal schedule looks like Wednesdays, I see patients. I'm up at 5 in the morning or 4 in the morning. Today, 4, yesterday, 4, Monday, 5. I'm in the office here by 6:30. I get ready, prep for seeing patients by 7:38. See patients all day, leave, go home. I'm prepping for the surgeries Tuesdays. Tuesdays, I like to be in the hospital by 6 a.m., sometimes 5:45. We sign the patients in, get ready, go into the surgeries. When we're wrapping that surgery up, we send for the next surgery if we have another one. That patient goes to pre-op. My patient I just operated on goes to post-op recovery. I check in the next one and we do that over again. Those days could be from 7 a.m. surgery till 8 p.m. at night, and sometimes I might finish earlier. Wednesdays, patients again. Thursdays, outpatient surgeries, predominantly in the surgery center. Tomorrow I have surgeries at 6 a.m. in the surgery center. So I'll get up at 4 tomorrow, back out, and yeah, I go to bed early, guys. I go to bed at like 8:30. My wife thinks I'm super boring, but that's kind of what you have to do. I kind of want to be rested to operate on you. So you don't want me like tired and dragging. I don't drink during the week. Maybe Friday. But that's what the week looks like. Fridays I keep open for a little more research, some add-on patients, and a few visits. So that's basically the life of a spine surgeon or arthroplasty surgeon.